This is Capital One Center, and the space behind me is our sculpture park. It was envisioned as part of the development of McLean 2, and I wanted to create a space where we could bring sculpture in from artists all over the world to really highlight this and create placemaking in Capital One Center. Through the art program, I really want to make that connection between art, creativity, and innovation, and use that artwork as a way to inspire associates as well as visitors to the campus.
The artist is a sculptor who is notable internationally and nationally. His name is Jon Isherwood. Over the years, Jon has become a world expert in the use of 3D CAD-assisted sculpture design and fabrication. And he works both with companies in China and in Italy in fabricating sculptures using very kind of advanced technology.
The Capital One art program from its beginning has focused on supporting local communities. Public art is about placemaking. It's about giving people the idea or inspiring people that creativity and art is important, an important part of our community, an important part of our lives.